What is going on, guys? This is a quick video showing off the shield setup that I am now using. I don't often use shields, but the sites that I do play at do allow them, so I thought, why not play with this a bit and turn it into a bit of a Blitz shield. Any of you that have played Rainbow Six will be aware of what the Blitz shield is. It's a shield fitted with LED lights. The idea being that you blind your opponent as you move forward. And this one I've made myself. It's something I've wanted to do for a while, and I figured why not get around to making it. What I'm going to do is quickly go through the parts and show you how to make one if you want to make one yourself. Now, I can actually make these if there's enough request, and they are only made to order, so it's completely up to you guys. Starting off, we have the police issue Riot shield. Now this is the Riot shield that comes from down here all the way to the ground. It's polycarbonate, so it's pretty light, and it's see-through throughout the entire thing. As you can see, my one, I have wrapped it in satin black and a metallic grey. At some point I'm going to get some decals to go down the front, but I haven't done that just yet. The main thing people see on this though is these two lights. Now each one of these lights is 72 watts, they're LED, each one features 12 LEDs. Now these lights are, you can run these off of a normal LiPo battery, but if you do, you need a pretty big battery depending on how long you want to run it for. Both of these use up a standard gun battery, 11.1 LiPo at 1400 milliamps. You get about 5 to 10 minutes constant light use, so that's something you want to bear in mind. These are simply drilled and bolted directly to the back of the shield. The arm attachments are part of the genuine police use. These shields can be used with one another, so the whole idea of this round shape is so you can interlock with another shield. As you can see on my one, I've also added a polycarbonate upper. This is just mainly to protect my face and, to be truthful, my cameras. When I use the shields, quite often I have a camera on my head. Now this just means that I can be looking through the top half of the shield and sort of not be exposing the camera, because a camera being shot is still a hit. As we work our way further down, you can see these black wires are the wiring from the LED light bars, and then I've made use of some old black and tan and just soldered them up. I've then threaded it round the back of this back part of the shield. Admittedly it's a bit long at the second, just because of the spacing of the LiPo. And then I'm actually using a helmet counterweight bag to hold my LiPo. This LiPo is a 4000 milliamp hour battery, so it lasts, we've calculated, for about 45 minutes. Realistically, you're not going to walk around with this thing on, so it's going to be used more for room entry and stuff like that. For now, because I don't have a 3D printer, I've had to just cable tie a push button attachment. Now this is good because you can half press it and it flashes, or you can lock it on and the lights stay on. During the day, these lights don't seem that bright. I'm just trying to, like I say, during the day these lights aren't too bright. Played in a dark room or in a night game, you will absolutely blind the living daylights out of whoever you're pointing the shield at. I recently tested the shield out at a local night game, and I'm about to throw this footage in.
It's got the same frequency. Does anyone know if we can go down that way? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, you can go anywhere. There you go. I need a light.
You need a light?
No. That just blinds the shit out of everyone. Oh, okay, try fuck it.
One down.
Ah, hit. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Red balls of fire.
I can't see a thing. The shield's already really heavy. It lights up the room like a room light.
Oh. Go, go, go.
Right, they're going to be defending that room straight away. Oh, that's annoying. Whoop, 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 whoop. Are we allowed in top of tower? Yeah. Are we allowed in top of tower, Dean?
That's one.
Well, the shield's been hit. Honestly, can't see for shit.
Huh? The shot's coming down from the tower, it looks like. You can't get me.
2 points of brightness.
You're blinded. Have we got anyone else? Where have we got anyone else?
Oh, good shot. Good shot. Yep. Oh, shot. I reckon you're friendly. Oh, you know. Keep the fire down. If you guys want to see more of the shield, let me know down below. Overall, it didn't cost that much. The ex-police shield only costing £30, and the LED light bars only 20. Obviously all the additions like the wrap and the extra polycarb on the top obviously all cost more money, but for a base shield you can have it all together for around £50. As long as you've got some wiring, a button and a lipo somewhere, you're good. The shield is light enough that it can actually be picked up with just one arm. The shield is also heavy enough that after a long day, you really do feel it. This is not the kind of thing that you're going to want to run all day. Saying that, it's an absolute great tool in the armoury, and especially at things like night games, I can see this coming in great use. Until next time, this has been Major Woods. I'll see you here again soon.